Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Shunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss Armstrong numbers within range in C Sharp. This is condensed to previous video, part 57. Armstrong number for n-digit number in C Sharp. Please go through previous video before going through this video. What is Armstrong number? Here we have 153. If you want to find Armstrong number, first we need to get individual digits like 1, 5, 3. Here we have 3 digits in this number. Now we need to do sum of cubes of individual digits is equal to 153. Here 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube equal to 153. So 153 is Armstrong number. Here we have 1634. It contains 4 digits 1, 6, 3, 4. Sum of quadruple of individual digits like 1 power 4 plus 6 power 4 plus 3 power 4 plus 4 power 4 equal to 1634. Here 1634 is Armstrong number. We use modulus and division operator to get individual digits from number. Here we have input number 153. 153 divided by 10 will get quotient as 15 and remainder as 3. In second iteration, take 15 and divide by 10. Here 15 divided by 10, quotient is 1 and remainder is 5. In third iteration, take 1 and divide by 10. Here quotient is 0, remainder is 1. Here we got individual digits like 3, 5, 1 from number 153. Now we need to use these individual digits to find Armstrong number. We'll discuss this logic over Visual Studio. Launch Visual Studio and create C# application. First step is we need to read input from command prompt. Console dot write please provide input number. Declare a variable int input and read value from command prompt equal to int dot parse of console dot readline. Here readline method returning string, but we are trying to store it in integer, so we need to convert string to integer using parse method. Declare for loop to get range of Armstrong numbers for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to input I plus plus. Here we need to find Armstrong numbers from 1 to input value. Here we need to write logic to find Armstrong numbers. Double result equal to 0, int count equal to 0. Here count variable will be used to get individual digits count. Here we need to use for loop for int temp equal to I, temp not equal to 0, count plus plus, temp equal to temp divide by 10. Using for loop we will get individual digits count. Later we need to use this count to find Armstrong numbers. For int temp equal to I, temp not equal to 0, temp equal to temp divide by 10, int remainder equal to temp modulus 10, result plus equal to math dot power remainder comma count. Here this count value will get it from this for loop. So here they are using math dot power function. This function accepting two parameters as double and returning double. Here remainder and count is integers. Integer is 32 bit, double is 64 bit. Integer will convert implicitly to double. So here no need to convert. If I equal to result console dot writeline placeholder is Armstrong number Execute this code. Control F5. Please provide input number 100. Here we are getting output as placeholder is Armstrong number. We need to format this data. Here, comma I. Control F5. 100. We need to find Armstrong numbers within the range 100. Here 1 to 9 are Armstrong numbers. How it makes? Here 1, that means it contains one digit. 1 power 1 equal to 1. So 1 is Armstrong number. Like that 2 power 1, 2. So 2 is Armstrong number. Here 1 to 9 are Armstrong numbers within range 100. Control F5. 1000. Here 1 to 9, 153, 370, 371, 407 are Armstrong numbers within range 1000. Control F5. 1 lakh. Here 1 to 9, 153, 370, 371, 407, 1634, 8208, 9474 and so on. These all are Armstrong numbers within range 1 lakh. Now we will discuss this program or debugging to understand flow of execution. Put breakpoint here. Here this for loop will execute from 1 to input. So it will take time to execute this for loop. So what I can do, I will mention here 152. Then we need to find Armstrong number from 152 to input. Go to debug, click on start debugging or F5, later click step into or F11. Click on start debugging, F11, read input 1000, enter. Here I is equal to 152, 152 less than 1000, true. Here I is equal to 152, 152 assigned to temporary variable. Now temp is equal to 152, 152 not equal to 0, true. Here 152 divided by 10. If you put cursor on division operator, we will get 15 as quotient. Here temp is equal to 15, count incremented by 1. Now count is equal to 1. Now 15 not equal to 0, true. Here 15 divided by 10 will get 1 as quotient. Here temp is equal to 1. Count increment 1, that means 2 digits. Here 1 not equal to 0, true. Here 1 divided by 10 will get quotient as 0. Temp is equal to 0. Count increment 1, that means temp contains 3 digits. Here 0 not equal to 0, false. It exits from for loop. Here temp is equal to I is equal to 152. 152 not equal to 0, true. Here 152 modulus 10. If you put cursor on modulus operator, we get quotient as 2. Now remainder is equal to 2. Math that power of 2 comma 3. That means 2 cube. Here result 8. Here 152 divided by 10. We will get temp is equal to 15. 15 not equal to 0. 15 modulus 10. Remainder is equal to 5. 5 comma 3 means 5 cube. Result is equal to 133. F11. Temp is equal to 15. 15 divided by 10. We quotient as 1. 1 not equal to 0. Here 15 modulus 10. Remainder is 1. Then 1 comma 3. That means 1 cube. Result is equal to 134. Here 1 divided by 10. 0. Temp is equal to 0. 0 not equal to 0. False. It exits from for loop. Here I is equal to 152. Result is equal to 134. Both are not equal. That means 152 is not Armstrong number. Now I is equal to 153. 153 less than 1000. True. Here I 153 assigned to temporary variable. Then 153 not equal to 0. Then 153 divided by 10. Temp is equal to 15. Increment count. Where temp is equal to 15. 15 divided by 10 will get 1. Temp is equal to 1. Count increment of 1. Count is equal to 1 not equal to 0. True. Let 1 divided by 10. 0. Temp is equal to 0. Count is equal to 3. Later 0 not equal to 0. False. It exits from for loop. Now count is equal to 3. Later here I is equal to 153. 153 assigned to temp variable. 153 not equal to 0. True. Here 153 modulus 10 will get 3. Like that it will continue. Here result is equal to 153. Here I is equal to 153. Result is equal to 153. So both are same. 153 is Armstrong number. Here we are getting output as 153 is Armstrong number. Like that it will continue up to 1000. Control F5. Here 10,000, 153, 370, 371, 407, 1634, 8208, 9474 are Armstrong numbers. Here we are using for loop to find Armstrong numbers within range, but we can use while loop. You can try with while loop. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.